Hey guys, so today we are going to open something that came, it's I bought in a shop, but then they didn't have the product that I bought, so they did send it home and I received it today. So we are going to open the box together, but for now, cheers. So let's start opening the box together. Hey guys, so this is the box and we have to open it and see what's inside this box. So I have to do this. Okay, now, so this is here. Let me do this so we can check together. There and here. So this is what I have. Okay, so I have to put this away, the box. Now let me show you. So this is my receipts and everything here, and then we should open this together. Let me just take my wine. Guys, let me show you now what is inside here. We are going to do this together. You can see. So guys, and I have to open here and do this. Just a simple accessory that I bought, I wanted to have something smaller for myself, and here we are. This is the small accessory. So this is what I got, guys, plus the other, because I bought those things together, but this one they didn't have in the shop. So yeah, you can buy, and then they said they're going to send, so they did, and I received it. And this is what I have now, my little accessories here. Guys, from this I can actually even make a skirt, here. So this is what I got, and let me just try to do this. This is my scarf. So guys, thank you for watching.